Sup, dude? This is Near from the Bricks Dude. And today we have Lego Castle or Lego Kingdoms. You name it how you like. I like to call it Lego Castle, like in the good old days. And that is just for you. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel just right here. This is super important for us as content creators. So we'll be able to create some more cool content just for you. So, ready to watch some legends?
What legends?
In
today's video we're going to show you a castle combination. That means a combination which we built which has elements from several castles. Generally, in many cases when you see a nice element in a castle, you might buy the whole castle just for that element. So we decided to build a combination which includes elements from several castles which we liked instead of buying several castles. So there's actually one main construction and another small one which includes elements from other castles. Let's take a look at what we have here. So first of all, they're connected with a pin, just like in the good old days, in a pin which is actually being inserted into a technical brick while everything stands on a base plate. This is how it looks. And let's see what we have here. Now the whole thing here is based on the yellow castle from set number 375 from 1978. So there's the turret on the top, and we added this piece with a gate. Actually, it's kind of arch. Also, this nice stairway and a few other elements. This is how the turret looks from the side and from the other side. Now the colors are not yellow as the original one because we decided to build it in gray, such as every other castle. And you can see two gargoyles, a nice addition to the turret. Now the front side and the back side are very similar to the original one. We just used whatever we had, and there's a new window in the bottom which is a little bit different. This is the side entrance to the hallway, and this is one construction. Now the main construction here has elements of at least 3 other sets. Let's take a look at it. Now you can actually move it this way because there are 2 axis parts. Now look at this tower. Actually, this is a tower from set number 7946 from the year 2010. You can see the lady in the window. It's a kind of red roof tower. Now this piece was taken from another set, set number 6098. It's a castle from the year 2000, and this is a kind of swinging vitrage door. I think that was the set where it appeared in the first time. Set number 6098. Let's take a look how it's built. Actually, we just combined that big piece with the swinging door into this tower with red pointed roof. Looks like a nice combination, and you can see the pillars with the lions, also a ladder and some other things there. Let's take a look at the side now. This piece, this construction is from another set, another old set, which is set number 6074, the Falcon Castle. It's an old set from 1986. Black Falcon. That's a black pointed roof, a German style. This is how it looks from the other side. And we also, that's the Hogwarts said logo and 3 dudes from Lord of the Rings. Now let's take a look at this construction. It's a German style. That yellow piece with the diagonal black bars. And let's take a look at the tower taken from Set number 375, the yellow castle. Also very simple, but makes a lot of impression. That's it. Actually 2 pieces, which are combining 4 elements from 4 different castles. I think that's a nice to have. Just imagine we had to hold 4 other castles just for those elements. It would have taken a lot of real estate in our closets. Yeah, 3 figures from Lord of the Rings. I think that's a nice mixture with those knights and other folks there. This is Nir from the Bricks Dude. Thank you for watching. Signing out.